Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Wow, absolutely gorgeous bob haircuts, simply stunning. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Today's video will feature a variety of long to short haircut transformations. So if you are in need of a major hair refresh, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these hot hairstyles, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Loving this bob makeover with the feathered bangs. Oh, that was absolutely gorgeous. Then we have a nice classic blunt bob here, followed by another blunt bob that features red highlights. And then we move into a hair color transformation. So she decided to go with this really pretty fuchsia shade. Well, that is absolutely gorgeous. Such a fun color. Then we have a blunt lob haircut transformation. Beautiful. Followed by a bob haircut. Gorgeous chic jaw length bob, bit of a tassel with the waves. Gorgeous transformation. So next up we have another bob haircut. So she started off with like this really pretty hint of purple within her strands. It looks like you can still see it. And she actually ended up getting more of like a pixie bob style. Really pretty feathered bangs. Oh, it looks like he colored her hair because he can't see the purple anymore, and then she got blonde in the bangs. Really cute style. So next up, we have another bob haircut. Beautiful, chic, effortless bob. This is a great option for a style if you want something that's low maintenance. So here we have another bob transformation. Wow, absolutely gorgeous color work. Beautiful bangs on the front. I think more than anything, I am loving the color. Beautiful, nice array of chunky highlights. So then we have another tousled bob face framing highlights. Followed by this blunt bob transformation. Another blunt bob. This one features a beautiful chocolate color, center parts. Absolutely gorgeous color. Wow. So she also started off with super long hair and decided to switch it up with a bob. Another gorgeous lob haircut here. Beautiful chocolate color as well. And this would also be another great low maintenance haircut and style to try out. Oh, looks like the stylist is going quite short with this one. Oh wow, another beautiful pixie bob style. Gorgeous. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, be sure to check out this one if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyles.